Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, nung Women in Sports Awards, nabanggit niyo na madami pang kailangan gawin, lalo na sa gawing mas visible yung para sports. Paano po nakakatulong itong pag-display ng memorabilia niyo ni Ma'am Josephine sa National Sports Museum?
Siyempre, maganda to kasi kasama na talaga siya sa museum ng National Sports Museum. And of course, visibility is very important. Alam mo, nung unang binuksan to, everybody was looking for, kasi nakakalimutan talaga. Although, minsan nasa isip, pero in actuality, ang katotohanan talaga nun, nakakalimutan talaga. And so, by having this space talaga provided for the Paralympics, pag umikot yung mga nakakakita, pag umikot yung mga viewers, they will say, ay, oo nga pala, meron parang I hope dumating yung panahon na hindi na magkaroon na parang, ay, meron pala, kundi sana kasabay na siya na palagi pagka may Olympics or may regular sports, merong para sports din, na hindi na nakakapagtaka or kasi nga, meron na siya talaga sabay. So, yun.
Ma'am, naging emotional kayo kanina nung sa speech. Can you just talk about that?
Yeah, even now when I think about it, I get emotional because I have really lived through the journey of alam mo yun, yung walang support, walang recognition to something that we have now. Can you imagine kasama? I never imagined my medal to be displayed in the National Museum for sports. And yun nga, sabi ko kanina, it's not just about me, but this really shows the progress. So, may pag-asa ang Pilipinas. May pag-asa ang mga Pilipino na kumilala ng pagpapantay, pagkakapantay-pantay. And this is really a story of inclusion. Diba? Ako, I am emotional for the athletes that we have now. Kasi, diba nakakatuwa, hindi nila kailangan pagdanasin yung mga dinanas namin. Kasi when you look back at my interviews before, nakakahabag talaga kasi ang daming challenges, ang dami. Pero ngayon, wala silang stories na gano'n. So makikita mo talaga na nagbago na. Yung nagkaroon ng progress, nagkaroon ng development. And I am so happy for them and I'm so grateful really, to all those who worked hard for it. Because we did not work for it. People who advocated for us. Kami lang yung mukha, ng lahat ng nila. Lahat ng trabaho nila para ma-uplift ang mga kalagayan ng mga para-athletes. Yeah.
Siyempre po yung medal niyo po was siyempre very personal po sa inyo yun. So parang madali rin po bang i-donate siya sa museum for you para lang po makita rin ng mga tao. Siyempre sa personal niyo po personal nagamit po niyo sa achievement.
Actually, tawag dito, ang medalya kong ito, yung ibang mga medals ko kasi nasa bahay ng mga magulang ko, naka-eskaparate siya, except for this medal and for the other, yung high-level competition medals na nakuha ko. But hindi siya naging mahirap ibigay para sa akin because I've always known, na it's not really for me. Lalo na when I realized that when I compete, I just don't compete for myself. I compete for the Philippines at I compete for the sector na talagang marginalized at the time when I was competing, na talagang, alam mo yan, wala naman, kumbaga, I was really just giving my all. And hoping and praying that one day, eto na yun, di ba? Eto na yung katuparan. So, when I was asked, actually, sabi nga nila parang i-replicate lang daw nila. Pero I said, no, I can give it. I can donate it. And because for me, it's really for the Filipino people. It's for everyone to see that really, dreams do come true. Alam mo yun, parang paminsan, when we start, mahirap, totoo yun. Pero talagang sa pagpupunyagi, pagpupursige, nakikilala din. At I'm really very happy for where the para-sports is now in the Philippines. Of course, marami pa ang dapat gawin, pero napaka-thankful ko na sobrang malaki na talaga yung in-improve.
About po si Ma'am Josephine Medina po, ang naalala niyo sa kanya, and wala po yung masasabi niyo na nandito na rin po yung kanyang yung nare-recognize din po yung achievement niya through this medal niya nasa museum.
First of all, naalala ko din siya talaga. Katulad nga nung nasabi ko, naalala ko siya at yung iba pang mga hindi na talaga maalala because I grew up, there was already a para sports in the past, no? Pero hindi nga na-recorded yung kanilang mga stories. And with Josephine, I'm really, alam mo, parang we lost her really early, no? And I'm sure kung nandito siya, matutuwa din siya because in the past, we used to talk about our struggles, how we, alam mo yun, paano namin yung lahat nalalagpasan, ganyan. Alam mo, Josephine was a very passionate woman eh. Parang she was never really stopped by walang boto, mahirap, alam mo yung ganon, inaccessibility. So talagang lahat ginagawa niya. And I'm sure matutuwa siya na meron siyang place dito at maaalala siya, makikilala siya. Of course, people will say, sino siya? Kasi wala nga siya dito eh, di ba? Pero I'm sure that she will be very happy, no, na makita na visible, no, ang kanyang ang pangalan niya, at saka matatanong kung sino siya. So she's really part of the history of para sports.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.